Welcome back, everyone. It does feel pretty nice outside right now. Temperatures are currently in the 30s and the 40s, and a couple spots even got into the 50s during the day today. However, these warmer temperatures have been accompanied by gusty to strong winds. The strongest wind has been along the Rocky Mountain front and out to I-15, with gusty winds in locations east of I-15. Once again, though, in the valleys as well as in northeastern Montana, there has been little to no wind. A high wind warning does remain in effect for central and eastern Glacier County, central Pend Oreille County, as well as western Toole County through 6 a.m. tomorrow morning. Gusts up to 75 miles per hour are possible in places like Browning, East Glacier, as well as Hart Butte. And then gusts up to 60 miles per hour possible in other locations, including Valier and Cut Bank. As we go through tonight, it will continue to be very windy along the Rocky Mountain front and out to I-15. We'll continue to have gusty winds in the plains east of I-15, and then in the valleys as well as in northeastern Montana, there will continue to be little to no wind overnight tonight. For tomorrow, another windy day along the Rocky Mountain front. Could see some gusts up to 60 miles per hour at times, but the wind will diminish some as the day goes on. Elsewhere, it is going to be a gusty day with sustained wind speeds between 10 and 30 miles per hour. And similar to today, the further east of I-15 you go, that's where the wind will be weaker, with little to no wind in northeastern Montana and little to no wind in the valleys. On the Great Falls Clinic ICAM, we have had partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies and dry conditions throughout the day. The weather has been quiet throughout Montana for the past several days, and it's been quiet throughout the entire Pacific Northwest for the past several days, and that's because an upper level ridge is currently in control of our weather. This will remain in control of our weather for tomorrow, but then as we head into Friday and Saturday, the ridge will break down as this upper level trough begins to approach our area. So we'll have more wind on Friday and Saturday, and some moisture will begin to work its way into the state, especially into the western part of the state. And then as we head into Sunday and next week, this upper level trough is going to be in complete control of our weather, which means it is going to be significantly colder. Highs in the single digits above and below zero. And periods of snow are expected Sunday and most of next week as well, with a few to several inches of accumulation in the lower elevations, and likely over a foot of snow accumulation in the mountains. Overnight tonight, we are going to have mostly clear skies and dry conditions. Tomorrow, we are going to have partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies, with the cloud cover increasing as the day goes on. And a Chinook arch cloud is likely tomorrow right around the I-15 corridor for most of the day. Tomorrow night, mostly cloudy to overcast. A couple isolated showers possible during the second half of the night. Most of us will continue to be dry. And then on Friday, a mixture of snow, rain, and freezing rain is likely in western Montana, and snow is likely along the Rocky Mountain front. East of the Continental Divide, a few isolated rain and snow showers are possible on Friday. A lot of us will continue to be dry, though. There is a winter storm watch in effect for all of western Montana as well as the Rocky Mountain front, beginning on Friday and continuing through 5 p.m. on Monday. Specifically for the Rocky Mountain front, that's where 8 to 16 plus inches of snow is expected as we go through this weekend. So difficult travel conditions are expected. Tonight, low temperatures are going to be in the 20s and the low to mid 30s for a lot of us. Tomorrow, another mild day, highs in the 40s and the upper 30s, and then a little bit cooler, but still pleasant on Friday with highs in the mid to upper 30s and low to mid 40s.